Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to find settings on the Pinterest app. But before we begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you already shop on Amazon, you can save hundreds of dollars by signing up for Amazon Prime. And if you'd like to learn more on how you can save all this money, click on my Amazon Prime trial link. It's in my video description, okay? So go to my video description and click on that link and you'll be able to save hundreds of dollars on Amazon Prime, okay? Now let's get back to the video. So I'll first open up the Pinterest app like you see here in a minute. I just have to find it. Where do I have it saved? Pinterest. Okay. Once you open it like this, it will look like this, right? Once here, just scroll up and down, and you see on the towards the bottom of the screen where there's like 4 icons. I can get it to show. All right, all the way to the end, click on the one that's all the way to the end, and it'll take you here. Once you're here, look on the upper left-hand corner. Do you see my profile picture? So you want to click on that. All right. Once you're on your profile picture, look on the upper right-hand corner. This shape over here, you want to click on that. There's an icon all the way to the right. And this will take you to the settings. This is how you can get to the settings of the Pinterest app. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime trial.